Hello, right, this is the second video. Right, managed to get it working, my extended key, which I said it wasn't really working, I'd have to push it slightly harder. Now, I've written a little program. Okay, it's a very quick, basic program. It only took about all of 2 minutes to write. So, now, I'd like to say thank you very much for Gadget UK164 for helping me out. And plus, I hope you'll be very impressed with this. Look, Sinclair ZX Spectrum Plus, Amiga, Commodore Amiga A500. That represents my PC upstairs, my 3D printer building, and a tornado. And look, all of that in one shot. I hope you're impressed with that. ZX Spectrum, Sinclair ZX Spectrum Plus, Sinclair ZX Spectrum Plus at the front, my Commodore Amiga A500, my PC, my 3D printer, and my Tornado steam engine right at the back there. All in one shot. Now how's that for technology? Going through time. Thanks for watching. Bye.